For half the hour, then we're going to start puppet show. Imaginary Spring. Hi, my name's Elamir, and I'm a baby goose.
I'm Oberon, and I'm a man goose.
My name is Redora, and I'm the mother goose.
My name is Garnet, and I'm a baby goose.
And I'm Snapdragon, a baby goose as well.
I'm Sundew, the Sora.
I'm Valera. I'm Bill Grebe.
I'm Buttercup, another baby goose.
My name is Zigzag, I'm a dragonfly.
My name's Belladonna, I'm a pie-billed grebe mother.
And I'm Pluto, the black-capped chickadee. And I'm Tourmaline, the catto.
Why can't I play too? I never get to play with you guys.
Duh, Elamir, you're too young.
You're not smart enough to understand the rules of duckweed tag.
I could learn, you know.
It's a lost cause. Don't you agree, guys?
Yup. Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
Now, settle down, children. Don't worry. We'll find someone for you to play with. Your father and I have to go to a very important meeting with the Council of the Elders, and you're too young to stay here all alone. Your brothers and sisters can play with each other, but since you're too little, we found you a new playmate. Just in time. Elamir, meet Valir.
What?
Don't be rude. You and Ellie are going to spend the afternoon together. Redora, Oberon, and I have some important matters to discuss with the other animals in the Waterfowl Park.
Wow. She has a weird-shaped head.
Valir, perhaps you have more in common than you think.
Redora, Belladonna, we need to go. We shouldn't wait any longer. I'm getting worried about the shorebirds.
Be
Be good. Well, let's get to know each other. My name is Elamir. That's E-L-O-M-I-R-E.
Okay. Big deal.
So, what do you want to do? Do you want to go on an adventure?
Who'd want to go on an adventure with you?
Well, thanks. Come on, let's go.
Fine. But only because you need my help.
I am not a social reject. Don't call me that. You're a juvenile delinquent.
I am not. Who cares what you think?
Well, fine.
Fine.
You genius. What's this?
Ha! You're scared.
Oh, I am not. Even you wouldn't be dumb enough to touch that shiny stuff.
Watch me. See? Not bad.
Okay, fine. Wait. See? It won't come all out.
Yeah, whatever. Let's get out of here. Where is everyone?
They're obviously still at the meeting.
Well, what's so important about this meeting? It never take this long. I hope nothing's wrong.
Don't be silly. I'm sure everything's fine. Want to ask our parents about the shiny stuff we found when we get back? Just to make sure it's not dangerous.
No, I'm fine.
Mom! Guess what we found?
No idea.
It's nothing. It's just this oily, shiny stuff.
Hope you can stay out of that.
Well, the
Of
lamp.
course we did.
Well, that's good, because over all my years in the park, no one has ever gone near it, and you should stay away from it.
The trouble, we've got meetings. No.
You know, the other marsh creatures might know more. You should go ask. That sounded really worried. Are you feeling okay?
Well, now that I mentioned it, might have a little bit of fever.
Don't exaggerate. Let's take your mom's advice and find another wetland creature to ask about it.
No, please. What are you doing scaring Sandu? Only an insensitive person would have said sweet Sandu Sora.
We're so sorry. We didn't mean to scare Sandu. My name is Elamir. That's E-L-O-S-O. What's your name?
I'm not telling you my name until you apologize to Sandu.
Why would we do that?
Blair, be quiet. Let's apologize. We're sorry for scaring you, Sandu.
It's okay. I'm very shy. Sometimes it's hard being so shy. But Big Tag the dragonfly protects me and the cattails help me hide.
Would the cattails know anything about the oily substance on the water?
Most likely. The cattails are wise. If anyone would know, it's them.
Thanks for your help.
I wish we could just ask one of the red-winged blackbird patrol officers instead of chasing plants everywhere.
They're probably at the important meeting. You know, it's possible that it's not only birds and something about the marsh.
Whatever.
There's a cattail. Hello, cattail.
You know, I have a name. It's Tourmaline.
Oh. Well, hello, Tourmaline. Can you tell us about the oily substance on the water that we came across earlier?
Why should I help you? No one ever pays attention to plants, even though you couldn't survive without us.
Well, plants suck.
Excuse me? Plants are very busy, even if we don't move. For example, every day I filter all the toxins out of the water in the park.
Are there normally toxins in the Waterfowl Park?
Well, it is pretty near to a human habitat.
Do you think the oily stuff we saw in the water is from the human world?
No. I think I heard the oil here is made out of natural things like plants. You should go and ask the ever-wise black-capped chickadee, Plato. He knows everything. To find him, you will have to call him with this. Will you help me call the black-capped chickadee? Guys? In the audience? Repeat after me.
Chickadee-dee-dee, 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 chickadee-dee-dee. Now all together. Chickadee!
Ahoy there, my children! I heard you singing a song there.
Dude, what's your deal?
Well, Plato, sir, we want to know about the oil that sits on the water of the marsh.
Oh, the oil! Something I know much about. Gee, child. When plants die in very wet areas, there's a bacteria that decomposes the plant into iron and manganese. They have a name too. They're called leptodiscophora. This is what produces the orange sheen that lies on the water in many places around the park. Now, there's another kind of oil that sometimes is found in our human world, and it can kill. But we are very lucky enough to have the nasty kind of oil.
Whoa, thank you so much, Plato. That explains a lot.
And never forget, children, the unexamined marsh is not worth living in.
Oh, so I guess you're not that sick after all.
Well, I might have exaggerated a little bit. I'm sorry for how I acted before, Elamir.
Thanks, Valera. I'm actually just really glad you're okay.
You know, I had no idea how cool our home actually is.
I didn't know that our plants were so important.
And I didn't realize how everything works together in marsh to purify the water and keep everything growing and healthy.
We discovered that the oil it's not dangerous at all. It's simply a bacteria that decomposes the plant into iron and manganese. The bacteria is called Leptosphaera discophora.
Whoa! I'm glad you discovered the truth of the matter. Now let me introduce you to some special guests. We were worried you were never going to arrive, shorebirds.
Every year I arrive with my friends and I fly to the Gulf of Mexico before we come to the Waterfowl Park. This year there was a horrible oil spill that came from the human world and gushed into the water. To this day, more oil is entering the ocean and washing up on the shore, where my friends and I like to eat and sleep. The oil has hurt a lot of my friends. We are happy to have made it to the Waterfowl Park, where we can feel safe again. Thank you for all the preparations you made for our arrival.
And thank you, Elamir and Valera, for making sure that the park is a healthy home for all of us.
Do you want to come play with us, Elamir?
Yes, and I'm bringing my new friend, Valera.
Everyone, we should get together and celebrate a wonderful park and everything in it. Let us dance!
Ecosystems rock, come on! Yes.
Ecosystems rock on.
Do you have any questions?
Yeah.
We can answer questions. What's your question?
We got that in a pretty other day.
Oh, well, thank you. Thank you very much. Any questions? About the park, about the oil or the different birds you saw?
Yeah. And
Do you like the show? Is it okay? Good. Thanks for having us, everyone. Thank you. We have an activity for you guys. And you don't have to do it right now, but we're going to give you the stuff for it. And it's so that you can make your own puppets. Okay? Just like ours. Did you like the puppets?
Yeah.
They're kind of colorful and pretty, huh? That was Leah and Sharon who made the puppets. What we brought is things that you can make your own puppets with. So these pop right out. And it's a duck head of a duck, right?
I want that.
Yeah, and we brought popsicle sticks. So what you'll be able to do is you can glue your popsicle stick onto the head, and you can color it, and make it have an eye, and make it look really colorful, and it can be puppets, then you can make your own puppet shows. Okay, so we're going to leave this with you guys, so you can make your own puppets. So I'll just give it to one of you guys. Thank you very much.
Yay!